Fliottes. Day Fliottes, for Good Friday. A dessert from Jamaica. Serves 4. You will need 6 ingredients. Step 1. Mix the flour, the sugar, the eggs and the salt. Add an extra drop of milk. Step 2. Put the quart of milk on to boil, with the butter, then add the batter tocook in it, a tablespoonful at a time. You will find that the batter will rise and float in the milk. Step 3. Leave the fliottes to simmer for a few minutes. As they cook, put them on a plate and keep them warm. Step 4. Once all the batter is cooked, serve the fliottes warm with some of the milk they were cooked in. Some people like to grate some nutmeg over them before serving. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.